Hello students, this is for the chapter 3rd MS More on MS Word 2013 and this is the part 2 and today's topic is thesaurus and mail merge. Coming with the first topic, that is thesaurus. Thesaurus is an attribute which gives us the record of all the synonyms and antonyms of the selected word. We cannot remember all the synonyms and antonyms of the word. What is a synonym and antonym? Synonym means the similar meaning words and antonym means the opposite word. Like for example, big. What are the synonyms of big is large, immense, huge, and the antonym of big is small. So we cannot remember all the words all the words of similar meaning and opposite of it. So if you want to add synonym of any word in your document, you can use the thesaurus feature. To use the thesaurus feature, the steps are given as follows. The first step is choose the word. For example, here I have chosen message. Second step, click on review tab. The third step is click on the thesaurus. When you click on the thesaurus, this will open the research task pane on the right side of the MS Word window. This is your research task pane. As you can see, there is search box. A close pane is also there. Execute search, that is the search box where you can execute the search. Then synonym is given, and if you scroll down there will be antonyms also. Its message is also given. You can move your mouse on the word you want to select and right click on any word and click insert to replace the old word with the new word. One more way is also there to open this thesaurus, that is you can press the alt key and click on the word to stumble on its synonyms. Result emerges in your pane. The next topic is mail merge. Mail merge is a trade in MS Word which is used to generate various modified letters. For example, suppose you have a party at your house and you want to call many of the persons. The first step, what you do, you make a invitees list and then you create the content of the invitation card. Invitation card is same for all the people, but address of all the people are different. So what we will do, we will create one letter and we will only change the address again and again. We are not going to change the content of the letter, because of which we saves the time. Suppose you kept that list of people for the later use, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपके घर पे पार्टी रहेगी तो आप लेटर का कंटेंट चेंज करोगे, एड्रेस ही जो आपके घर में आने वाले हैं उनका लिस्ट आपने पहले से सेव करके रखा है, वो लिस्ट को आप फिर से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो द एड्रेस लिस्ट इज़ यूज्ड अगेन एंड अगेन, द कंटेंट इज ओनली चेंज्ड, so it saves a lot of time for us. So how we can use this feature of mail merge? The steps are given as follows. Mainly there are only 6 steps. The main steps are only 6, but under it there are different steps we have to use.